Hello, today I'm going to show you where to find and how to use your first aid kit of your Mercedes-Benz C180. Let's have a look where it is. Open the boot lid and on the left side there it is. Depending on the vehicle's equipment, the first aid kit is located either in an open storage space or behind the left-hand side trim panel. In this case, it is, it's an open storage compartment, as you can see. Check the expiry date on the first aid kit at least once a year. Replace the contents if necessary and replace any missing items. I hope you will not need your first aid kit, but you have to own one of this because in case of emergency it will help you with some band-aids, cotton balls, cotton swabs, Loden, band-aids, hydrogen peroxide, maybe gauze, saline dressings and so many other important emergency stuff. Plastic tweezers, for example, adhesive bandage. It's important. If you drive on the street, maybe will be an accident in front of you, so you are able to help with your completed first aid kit. And there is an important thing. This is really nice to look every year once because of the expiry dates. So now it's all okay. The expiry dates are okay. We can reassemble it by using the zipper again, and we check that it's all complete inside your first aid kit. Now we have to get back the first aid kit to its position. Back. Yeah, good job, easy going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Soon.